My name is Russell Ayres. I'm Nursery Coordinator here at Flint River Nursery, and today we're going to show you how we lift and pack pine seedlings. To start off the process, we use a full bed lifter. It's got a reciprocating undercutter blade which will pull the seedlings out of the ground. They'll be caught by a large series of belts that'll pull them inside the lifter. Once inside the machine, they're placed into totes, and from there they're transported to the packing shed for grading. Inside the shed, we count them out into bundles of 100. We throw away the seedlings that are too small, broken, or misshapen. We then dip them into a root dip to ensure the moisture on the roots and extend the shelf life of them. We wrap them up and bundle them in bags of 1,000. And from there, they're sent out to all the consumers across the state of Georgia for planting. If you'd like to know more information about lifting and packing pine seedlings, please give us a call at 478-508-0056.